In this video, I'm reviewing OnePay, a mobile banking app that's been getting a lot of attention in 2025. OnePay is designed for people who want a fully digital banking experience with no monthly fees. It offers high-yield savings, no-fee checking accounts, and helpful budgeting tools like customizable money pockets to organize your spending and savings goals. You also get perks such as early paycheck access, cashback rewards, bill payments, mobile check deposits, and real-time spending tracking, all backed by FDIC insurance through partner banks. Now, the downside's no physical branches, so depositing cash or getting in-person help isn't an option. Some users also report inconsistent customer support, occasional technical glitches, and confusing balance tracking between checking and savings accounts. Overall, though, OnePay is free, easy to use, and offers great features for people comfortable with online banking who want high interest rates and built-in budgeting tools. Just be aware of the potential customer service issues.